Hey bunnies, so for this video we're going to be reviewing this wig that I'm wearing. It is a brown sugar wig. It is the BS202 in the color 43350, I believe. It does, honestly, like, I'm not a fan of this wig. I don't even like how I look in this wig right now. So the following review is going to be completely in Snapchat filter.
This is a brown sugar wig. The number is BS202. It is in the color 433. Did pluck the parts. I did put a little bit of foundation on the part, and I did make the part a little bit deeper. It is a human hair blend, so the highest amount of heat I put on there was like 350, and I could smell the synthetic through it. I did make some little baby hairs in the front, and it does have baby hairs in the back. So if you wanted to put it up into a high ponytail, you could do that. It has 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and it is a soft lace. I paid $50 for this wig at my local beauty supply store. I don't know if it's worth the $50, except probably the lace that I like. It's not as long as I would like. This is the length here. It comes down to like my boob, and then in the back it's like bra strap length. All in all, it's a decent wig. Will I purchase another brown sugar wig? I doubt it. If you want to give it to me to review, sure, but I'm not spending any more money. I don't know, maybe it's the color that's throwing me off. Maybe if it was like a number 2 or a 1B, I'd give it more hope. But then, I don't know. And then when I was looking at them in the store, like different ones had different textures. Like the really blonde one was a lot coarser. The 1B had more texture. First got this wig, it was this nice yaki texture, but then I put the iron to it and then it just got so silky. I don't know. But that's the end of the video. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.